Hey, Pete here from Northern Works. This week I'm going to build probably the most DIY router table it's possible to build. I love this little trim router, and for the kind of DIY furniture that I build, I use this in pretty much every project. But I do find that when I use it handheld, I'm constantly having to re-clamp a workpiece, and to be honest, it gets a bit annoying. I haven't really got space in this home office slash workshop for a dedicated router table, and to be honest, it's probably not top of the list of things that I want to spend money on right now. So I've come up with a plan using this offcut of 12mm plywood. How good is that? Right, time to test it. Template bit worked great. Let's try the round over. Brilliant. That's going to save me so much time as well. Well, this thing is absolutely brilliant. To be honest, it's even surpassed my expectations. I mean, it's cost me practically nothing to make it, and it's going to massively improve my future projects. So the only thing I think I need to change is I'm going to add some washers where the screws go into the holes, just to protect the wood when I'm taking those screws in and out and help this to last a little bit longer. But of course, the big benefit of having this setup rather than a dedicated router table is that when I'm finished with it, I can just take it apart and store it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and help a few other folks find it as well. And if you're wondering what all these legs are for, you'll find out in the next video.